Before buying a mini voice recorder, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Battery life drops fast when you use voice activation, and most of these tiny devices can't handle background noise. Let's fix that. Product number 1, EVISTR L357. First up, the EVISTR L357. This thing caught my eye because it looks like a tiny metal bar, sleek, solid, and way more premium than the plastic ones you usually see. At $37.94, it's mid-range, and it's been flying off shelves with over 3,000 sold last month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses PCM noise reduction and a 360 degrees mic to pick up voices clearly, even from across a room. The 64 GB storage holds up to 4,660 hours of audio, that's years of daily lectures. Plus, it records in both MP3 and WAV, so you get flexibility without sacrificing quality. The voice activation works well, skipping silent gaps to save space and battery. And file names are auto-tagged with date and time, so you'll never lose track of that one important meeting. Now, some people complained about the menu being a bit clunky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to the two-button system, it's actually faster than touchscreens. The real issue is the lack of reviews, which makes it hard to judge long-term reliability, but the 24-hour customer support promise helps ease that worry. This is perfect for you if you're a student, teacher, or professional who needs reliable, high-quality recordings with minimal hassle. Skip this one if you hate learning new interfaces or need something with a screen. For under $40, it's a solid value, especially with that metal build and long battery life. Product number 2, Sunland 16 GB Recorder. Next is the Sunland 16 GB model at just $26.56, $1 of the cheapest options here, and it's also got over 3,000 sales. It's small, lightweight, and feels like a basic flash drive. If you want something simple, affordable, and good enough for casual note-taking, this one gets the job done. Here's why this matters for you. It uses DSP noise reduction to filter out background chatter, so your recordings stay clear even in noisy cafes or busy offices. The 1536 kbps recording quality is surprisingly sharp for the price. And it doubles as a music player and USB storage. Drag and drop files right onto it like a flash drive. Now the big flaw, only 16 GB of storage. That sounds fine until you realize it holds about 1,200 hours, which sounds like a lot, but if you're recording daily lectures or long meetings, it fills up faster than you'd think. Also, the build feels a bit flimsy, not something you'd want to drop. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and only need occasional recordings. Skip this one if you're recording hours of content daily or need durability. For under $30, it's a steal, just don't expect it to last years. Product number 3, Sony ICD-PX370. Now, if the Sunland's plastic build bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Sony ICD-PX370 is a classic, simple, reliable, and from a brand you actually trust. It's been around for years, and over 2,000 were sold last month. If you want something no-nonsense that just works, this is it. The built-in USB stick means no cables, just plug it directly into your laptop. And with up to 57 hours of battery life using just 2 AA batteries, you can record an entire conference without charging. It's mono audio, which some hate, but for voice clarity in meetings or dictation, it's actually cleaner and less echoey. Now the flaw, no voice activation. That means it records everything, even the silence between sentences. And at 128 kbps, the audio isn't as sharp as the others. Also, the headphone jack is 2.5, so you'll need an adapter for most earbuds. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable, cable-free recorder for basic notes or dictation. Skip this one if you need high-fidelity audio or voice activation. It's not flashy, but for reliability, Sony still delivers. Product number 4, Natsuki 136 GB Magnetic. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for professionals. The Natsuki packs a massive 136 GB of storage, that's 9,800 hours of recording. At $64.50, it's the priciest here, but it's built for serious users. And that magnetic back, genius. Here's why this matters for you. The triple AI noise reduction actually works. It filters out keyboard clatter, AC hum, and background voices so your subject comes through clean. The magnetic design lets you stick it to a fridge, whiteboard, or even your laptop lid during a Zoom call. And with 74 hours of battery life, you can record a full week of classes without a charge. File management is smart too, auto-named by date and time, and transfers fast via USB-C. Now the flaw: it's overkill for casual users. If you're just recording grocery lists, this is like using a sports car to go to the mailbox. Also, the AI noise reduction can sometimes cut off soft-spoken words, a real issue in interviews. This is perfect for you if you're a journalist, researcher, or student recording hours of content daily. Skip this one if you only need occasional use. For heavy-duty recording, it's worth the investment. Product number 5, Talkcoder 64GB Clip-On. Finally, the Talkcoder. At $50.59, it's compact, clip-on, and built for mobility. It looks like a car key fob, tiny, lightweight, and easy to forget you're carrying. If you want something you can clip to your pocket or bag and forget about, this is your pick. Here's why this matters for you. The one-touch recording starts instantly, no menus, no delays. The 64GB storage holds 4,800 hours, and the 40-hour battery means you won't miss a beat. The HD noise reduction chip does a great job filtering out wind and office noise. And the voice activation is sensitive enough to catch whispers but smart enough to skip silence. Now the flaw: it uses micro USB, not USB-C. That means one more cable to carry and it feels outdated. Also, the clip, while sturdy, can slip off if you're moving a lot. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go, journalists, field researchers, or busy students. Skip this one if you hate outdated ports or need a screen. For portability and performance, it's a strong finish to this list. So which one should you buy? The EVISDR L357 is the best all-rounder, great sound, solid build, fair price. The Sunland is perfect if you're on a budget. Sony wins for simplicity. Natsukia is for power users who need storage and noise control. And the Talkcoder, ideal for clipping and going. Each has trade-offs, but now you know exactly which fits your life.